Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the contacts option on your MacBook. So let's start. If you want to see that how you can use them and what are the options, so let's see. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the launchpad section, and after going to the launchpad, as you can see, has an option for the contacts. So we have to click on the contact section, and after clicking on the contact section, as you can see, if you click on the all contacts, you will be able to see all the contacts here. If you click on the all iCloud contacts, you will be able to see those contacts which will be saved into iCloud. If you want to see all on my Mac, if you want to see those contacts which are saved in your MacBook, then you will be able to see this. So in this way you can use the contacts. In the all contacts section, you will see your all saved contacts, and in all iCloud section, you will be able to see those contacts which will be saved into your iCloud ID. As you can see, some edit options are provided here. If you want to edit them, you have to click on the edit section, and you will be able to add or delete or edit as well. So in this way you can do that. If you want to delete this one or edit this one, you'll be able to delete or edit all the options which are added into this contact section. So in this way you can use the contacts on your MacBook. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the contacts on your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.